One of the standout and unique features of Nothing is the Glyph Interface. Whether it's the Glyph lights on the Nothing 2A, 3A, and 3A Pro, or if it is the Glyph Matrix on the Nothing Phone 3. It's like their unique, cool signature. Unlike the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, which has the Glyph lights, this time around, for the 4A Pro, Nothing opted for the Glyph Matrix, which is on their flagship, the Nothing Phone 3. The Glyph Matrix is a programmable cluster of LED lights, 137 programmable mini LEDs to be exact. Now, just for comparison, the Nothing Phone 3 has a higher resolution with 489 programmable mini LEDs. But then again, that's a more expensive flagship. Now, the Glyph Matrix works as a low-resolution secondary screen, which can be used to show notifications or any important information at a glance. Now, the Nothing 4A has the Glyph bar, so some things I'll say won't apply to it. This is specifically for the Nothing Phone 4A Pro. Now, to turn on and off the Glyph interface, you simply go to Settings, and right at the top, you click on Glyph Interface. You can toggle off and on the Glyph interface here. Or you can also use the Quick Settings menu to do that as well. Now, whilst we're here, you can also change the intensity of the Glyph lights by sliding from left to right. Now, the most basic use of the Glyph Matrix are the ringtones. Now, there are two modes to choose from. Classic, which is the standard way of choosing a ringtone from the standard ringtones and Glyph light animation pairs that come with every Nothing phone. Or generative, which are dynamically generated Glyph ringtones. So basically, the phone will assign ringtones and glyphs to contacts as it wishes. You can also do the same for notification sounds. Now, you can take things a step further by using essential notifications. Basically, this is where you can customize your notification glyphs. For example, by default, when you get a missed call, this is the glyph that appears. But you can also customize your own. To do that, you can come here where it says New Rule. I will add a rule name here. Let me call it Twitter. Now, with essential notifications, you can choose notifications from different apps, contacts, or keywords. In this instance, I'll choose the notifications from the X or Twitter app. On the app itself, you can choose which specific notifications you want. But for the sake of this video, we will leave it on all notifications. Now, let's choose the Glyph Matrix displays. There are plenty to choose from. For example, this heart. But you can also take it a step further by choosing Custom, where you can add your own by choosing from the photos. For example, let me add this photo. This is what the notification will look like. You can also enable the glyph as a volume indicator. As well as enable the Glyph timer, which is basically a countdown timer. You can pick from the available times or set your own custom time. And flip the phone over, you will see this hourglass animation. When the timer is up, the Glyph animation will go off. You can also enable this feature in the Quick Settings menu. You can also enable Glyph Progress, which uses third-party apps. For example, you can check the status of your Uber ride. Other apps that are supported are Zomato and Google Calendar. I'm sure more apps will be added in the future. Then there's Flip to Glyph, where you can enable certain features when your phone is facing down. For example, reveal caller ID by slightly wiggling your phone. Or charging meter, where you can get to see your charging progress. Then there's Glyph Toys. As the name suggests, these are plugins created by Nothing community members for the Glyph Matrix display when you activate the always-on display. You can browse through a growing list of Glyph toys on the Nothing playground. You can also create your own if you're adventurous. Now some are free, but most of the good ones you will need to pay for. Now these are toys. For example, this dice glyph toy. Simply by shaking the phone, you can throw a dice. Not sure how you use this in real life, but those are glyph toys for you. There are loads to choose from. So pretty much these are some of the things you can do with the Glyph Matrix on the Nothing 4A Pro. If you found this video useful, give it a like and please subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video.